Tropical Bliss. This is in Mobile. Tropical Bliss. It's around, you know. We're in a Mobile right now. White House, Tropical Bliss. Yeah, we never know about the place. I would let's say, yo, Tropical Bliss. Okay. Okay. I'm on bed. Tropical Bliss. The water nice. Wow, another nice settings. Oh wow. Good for discovering new places. Now look up the beach and I'm over here, no. You know bad, you know. I like a spot, man. It have a vibe, music. Have you? Okay. Wow. Clean. Think you can stay here? It's a vibe. Yeah, shells too. Shells. If I'm on vacation, you know, say me live here, so. Me always, Manchester, I yam me plan for save up for come here. All right. I yam me plans. Wow. I yam me plan, people. Okay, this is the vibe. This is not bad enough. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Tropical. Nice. I like for no say. Wow. You see that place here? Good for no say them. I have to go check out some more spots. Beautiful. I like the vibe I saw still. Yeah, Jamaica, good life. This is Randy. Celebrating the 50th birthday, so I'm gonna find another spot. You know? Love it. You see how life good? Now when you talk about Jamaica, you know, this is in Whitehall. You see me? White House. The White Mobile. Look here. It's kind of secluded. Oh, yeah. Come on, Mobile have a vibe. Yeah, look there. So the place there. I like the place too. It's a good looking vibe. Yeah. Oh, sorry, what that? Later. 541 9578. 541. I can interview you. Anything. You can put on garments too. You see, once you have the picture, it's yours. So, come show me them, man. I have 47,000 subscribers. You know? I'm not light, you know. I look light, but I'm black. We used too much of the cake soap yesterday. Sure. I love to see the pieces, them, man. 47,000 subscribers about me. She is an artist, people. No, it is a pleasure to meet from one artist to another. Watch yourself, you know. Power, you know, sister. Enough power me walk with, you know. Watch yourself. Enough power me walk with, you know. Watch yourself. Are you do this?
Yes.
Are you make this?
Yes.
How about this? What's your name again?
Yeah, you want to do it properly?
You want to make me do it properly? It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Randy Pottinger. I'm an artist too. So I'm not going to make you...
So you're a top artist. So you probably know my brother.
No, I'm not a top artist. I'm humble. But you see, you want the world to see a thing, you know? Nice. From one... Oh, I love your work. One artist to another artist. Oh, this is a pleasure. Wow. A poem, man. Yo, put them out. How many years have you been doing this?
I don't know. Just start. Just start.
You just started?
You went bankrupt.
Your company went bankrupt?
Thomas Cook. After that, Thomas Cook used to work a travel agency out of the UK.
Uh-huh.
So out of bad.
Comes art.
Oh, you need to see this one. I want to show you this with something.
Okay.
This thing.
People. Give me the name again, ma'am.
Look at this one, Dick. With this.
Okay. Got it. Got it. And these plates are just to put in your house.
I don't know where it was. It's stand there. You have to stand for that. You want to do it with a stand or what?
Okay.
I did this yesterday and it was standing up quite well.
It's okay, it's okay.
I did not Michelle.
Oh, you're an artist.
No, don't make it look so bad.
This is an artist. Look at her work. And her number is 876. You can FedEx them out? You can FedEx them, right?
You don't even know me if I learn. You might have to teach me.
FedEx. You know when you go to the FedEx place. So if somebody send you 100 US, you can send it out. That means if you learn. Everybody may have to teach me, mate. Post office then. You have to send out the work, man, to the world. Post office. FedEx. All you have to do go FedEx. Then send you Western Union?
Yeah.
Can you collect Western Union? Okay. And your number again is? What's the number again?
541
541
957. Oh, 876.
876
541
541
9578.
9578. People, and what's your name again?
Audrey
Audrey.
Samuels.
This is Audrey Samuels' work. This is Randy Pottinger. It's a pleasure to meet another artist. I may have to promote them because art life not easy. Like God bless, remember when we got the shell? Wow, Audrey Samuels. Wow, look at this. You paint them here too.
God bless you.
Take care.
It is well.
Audrey Samuels. People, yes, her work. So this is where you keep your stuff.
There's some?
Yeah. Are those your shells also?
No, no. A young man.
Wow. Lovely, Audrey. Lovely. I see you. You're no. Audrey, you're making a transition in life. I can see the beauty shining through you. You're painting dolphins and life. Look for you, Audrey. But you live life on beach side up here in picture. You know what? We as artists don't get no respect and love that we need, you know. So when we see another artist, we push them out there. People, support Audrey. Because, you see, artists out there, support this artist. Call her and come and meet her and see her. How you doing? I'm filming. Huh, everything good? You having fun? All right. Yeah, I'm filming this on me.
Let me see my signature piece.
The signature. Oh, oh, RJ, make me put it on the stool. People, that's her signature piece. See that right there?
To Elko.
That's her signature piece. Audrey Samuels. How old are you, Audrey?
No, piece.
And when did you start painting?
December. Just the other day. Not 8 months. No, really. Does that look like painting? People buy it anyway, so.
No, I love them. I love it. I'm sending people to you now. I mean, this is 47,000 subscribers I have. When it gets out there, somebody might love it. And you here look like you're Picasso or Charles Casque. He's a genius, you know. No matter what. No interest in man. He's a genius. You've never been discovered. The sun, the thing that when you paint bring life in people's life, you know. Look there. You know what my love? Let me show you my love. And how much do you sell in American dollars for the plate them? Wow, you can look at this one. You notice this one? It looks like it has, what I love about it, it looks like it has water in it. You know? This, you know, like it has water in it. So this is one of my favorites. And home, you know? These are the kind of things you collect, and she combined this with the shell. Artists they love show off and hold on. I wish people come see you. What's the name of this place again, Audrey? Tropical Mist?
Bliss.
Tropical Bliss. They could Google it.
Yeah.
Tropical Bliss, please, my friends all over the world. Please visit my new friend, Audrey Samuels. I'm gonna send my friend Lisa come look for you.
Ooh, look at this creative piece. Somebody do creative piece with different stuff.
Unique.
Yeah.
So when people come to Jamaica, they should bring back one of these, because it's very. No. Audrey, if you see my work, you know I'm not joking. I don't joke about art. Cause you hear what? And family humiliated me. People laugh up to me all my life because I'm an artist. I've done 15,000 photographers of Jamaica, and they laughed at me. And you know now, Audrey, I travel the world. I'm free. Okay? I'm not rich. I'm supreme. Okay? So don't think something and laugh at it. Okay, you see this kind of work, yeah? Only few people can really recognize what you're doing. So just keep doing it. And don't worry yourself. Everything seasonal curry. It's on my video and people are gonna see it. At least My viewers can in full joy what you're doing here. And you had a show today.
Surprising, frightening.
And spirit works in many ways. Wow, from a little art gallery in Jamaica. This is Audrey Samuels from a little art gallery. They would never know. Let's do that. You have just done an art show. Wow, look at that. So how much do you paint per day? You take your time.
Mm-hmm.
This is a tile. That's a tile, people. There we go. Audrey,
Yes.
I'm going to set you up on your laptop so you can put these on t-shirts.
Okay.
You have your phone where you can take pictures, right?
Okay.
Your good phone?
No, I got one good phone there. Samsung, not sure.
Alright. One day I'm going to come and take some picture for you.
Okay.
So I can send you all them. I'm going to set up the side for you. Put all this, you can tile them and put them on shirts. Ship them in so you can have your stuff on shirts. Because you know what? From one artist helping another. Do you need me?
Yes, sissy food.
So the Almighty has sent me to find the people that we need help, you know. Because look at her majestic pieces, and these are in this little shack. You know, the one who said, how'd you live in that? Now tell them, say you live in this, too, you know.
We'll go same way in my clothes.
Lovely. Where now go?
Swim.
When I go swim? Have you said life when I live every day you swim?
Marcia.
Marcia, what go on with you? You don't cook that way. We not live near if we cook some food for you. We need high tile food. Hey, the Almighty. The Almighty is always with us. You just never know when we show up. What kind of food do you cook?
A Tropical Bliss.
Oh, so no, are you the chef?
Like this. Small pieces.
Small piece. Lovely.
Massage and hair.
Oh, you're a massage therapist?
Oh Lord.
Wow. And so now live honestly on go swimming on the place?
She live 2 minutes. We live for 4. Maybe might swim tomorrow evening, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Have a swim.
Like this one.
Wow, look at this. So what do you think about her work?
Eh?
What do you think about her work? I love this one. This is one of my favorites. I love that one here.
What's your favorite? I actually look like your shirt.
Me love black, you know. Me love works with black in it.
Black is nice. Say my black but me come late.
Hey. Me love Audrey, you had a me love you see me love this. This is one of my favorite pieces. Because me never seen it like it before. Artists, go about your business, but you have art show. We are sending it out to the world. You're lucky, so me I spend so much time with you. I know many women me spend so much time with, you know. Me always hit touch and go.
Really? You're that kind of man?
Me have to keep moving. Because they want to capture me and put me in a backup. Can't be no backup on the shelf. Hey! Boy! Can't be no backup on the shelf, mister. The world is to be explored.
That was your wife. That's not your wife. That's your wife, right?
That's the queen. That's the queen. She don't know Malina. In Bossy. Audrey. And until you get rich and famous. Yeah, merci.
Find a bottle of your
Hey, you see how people like this make me always spend time with. Sit down, talk, reason. These kind of people are 1 in a million. Oh, you know Audrey. Oh, you down here? So what do you do? Alright, check this out. See my art now? So I'm gonna take that brush up on yourself, boom. That's my art. See that?
And you take a picture.
Come take a picture with me. Come. Your face. You did that. Stand up over there, sir. Take a picture with the king.
With the king?
Come right, sir.
You're rough up, so what?
You're an artist, you know. You're expensive and dear, you know, from one artist to another. This is Randy Pottinger, the great artist of the world. One of the greatest that ever lived. Right here with one of the greatest that's living. Give us your name again, ma'am.
Audrey Samuels.
Audrey Samuels. We artists, we don't like to hang on with regular people because we're divine in our own space. See? No normal. So it's a pleasure meeting you. One day we'll go to the house, roast some breadfruit, and sit down and drink some mint tea without sugar. Because rich people do not drink tea with sugar. It's a pleasure. This is going to be a legendary show. Tell me about the product you just sold something at the VIP in the airport?
Yes, somebody came by the beach and saw my work and ordered 2 bottles to put in their new VIP renovated lounge. This is one of them. So 2 bottles.
Lovely. Of your work. So they're sitting at the airport.
Is that there?
That's good.
The
So
newly
people,
renovated one.
she's international and she's here on the beach at the place called
Tropical Bliss.
Tropical Bliss. Look at this.
There's 3 bottles really.
So
So
this
this
can be
one
people
too.
house on their tables. Well, me discover you. Did people film you before?
No.
Nobody no film you.
You know I did this one. It's a big one on the tile.
I love you.
Let me show it to you.
I love you. Right?
So you I'm gonna put it back out because it's big. It's not finished. On the tile, it's not finished. I'm gonna redo it. That was when I just started. I'm gonna redo this.
I'm gonna get some money, may I come see you in the sunny. I have to have some of your work. People, this sunset is amazing. I didn't know about this place, you know.
You need to see the sunset really there. See the boat coming in there. There's some people over to showcase my boat. Look at this on here. Look at this.
There's some let me tell you something, Audrey. What you need to do. Oh, then I me put it beside me. Know what me I do. Audrey, me know what me I do. Look on down here. I don't know. Also amazing.
Yeah, man.
I know what I'm doing.
I'm trying to
Tell you something. If you get a little,
place so I can showcase it some pieces.
so sometimes when you just line them out, so people can see
It's
them.
not really for down. I don't bring it down here because of tourists. Because that tourists want small pieces.
No, I'm saying even how this is on this right now.
Yeah, it's a different natural.
Yeah. People would
It pops it.
you combine those two. I love it. You know, I can't believe people didn't film you.
I just probably don't grade I don't think that.
It's your mind. Everything for me in life is yes. The entire world is mine. I have house in Portland, house in Africa, but me no want none of it. Become a love. Everybody build house for house for just become an energy. They want me around them. I am the wealth. No wealth not the outside of me. The wealth is within me.
Oh, look at that, mommy. Look at that.
What?
The same. The popping of that. This, the same body.
You see?
This.
You saw my shirt?
Yeah. Oh my God.
What you say? I am the money. I am the wealth. Yeah.
My first black swans.
Wow. You have contributed so much to the world.
Yeah.
You would never know, you
I
know.
don't know. That's what I'm saying.
Most artists, here's what I did to get over. I got over people. It is the perception of others that creates a defeated mind.
So you make me feel it's not always like this.
No, when you think about Picasso,
Oh, I
Okay,
always
okay.
say to the guests them that I'm no Picasso.
but look at Bach when he's playing the piano. Look at Basquiat. Look at his hair. As an artist, you are the art. So you're not supposed to fit in a nobody world.
That's what my brother told me. He said to me, do not like go to people for them to give you what you just said to say.
Justification.
Yeah, you said
No, don't do that. If you don't have it,
yeah,
and one
said,
part of the
don't
reason
do
why,
it.
you see, your energy, you know, you see doubt. Sometimes your birth sign or your parents or mental abuse, it causes people to. What me?
Mental abuse, not mental abuse. I remember this ex of mine. I remember, very brilliant guy. And because he was brilliant, I learned 3 languages. And that guy let me believe that I was a nobody.
So, what languages do you speak?
No, man, I haven't spoken anything.
But I'm just saying, what did you learn?
I did German in college,
Uh-huh.
and I did French and Spanish. You know, but I'm just saying how people.
So give me a couple words in German.
No,
You gotta give me 1 or 2. You gotta give me hello or something.
Auf Wiedersehen, bye-bye. Wie geht's? Danke gut.
Oh Lord, that's all I need. People, see her there? And him put it down. Enough man put on woman, you know. You see when they meet me, they say, Randy, you put me up. I say, go and put you up higher.
That guy put me down.
Put you down.
That's when I remember we went for dinner once and my sister-in-law said, I've lost my sister-in-law.
Or him put you
Couldn't
down.
talk
Beat.
anymore around the
So no,
rest-
that is why every
table.
time you think say you're not great.
Yeah, around the table at the restaurant.
But when we run go see them people, because them got things to make me out order. Hey, we talk soon. All right. I'm going to leave out. So I never want to leave without saying good cycle. We don't say goodbye, we say good cycle. Until the cycle happen again.
God bless you. Touch base.
My love for meet you. And we're going to sit down.
Yes.
Pray to the Almighty.
You know too.
You done famous now. Later.
All right, Randy.
I'm going to send it out.
God bless you.
Bless you too. People who meet, it's a pleasure. Stay pure. I remember, confidence is your confidence. Explore. Watch us drop something. Confidence, man. You don't have to build confidence with women. Enough man beat the woman, you know. But build women. That's why we say a woman. We don't say amen. We say a woman. We build women. Can't keep beating them down all the time. That's why enough of them grow up with mental illness. We are radical of the thing, you know. So I'm free figure, man. Can't deal with that. Tropical Bliss. So, I want to check it out. Tropical Bliss. Yes, brother. Tropical Bliss. A nice place, man. This is great, you know, artists.
Come at the house one day.
Alright, so you say artists don't get respect and love we deserve. And a lot of humiliation.